Hey, what's up? Hey, hello. All right, I want to say hello to everybody on YouTube. Whatever 2 or 3 views I might get for this. Hope you enjoy it. So I just wanted to show you another math thing that I did some odd years ago, like a while back, 4 or 5 years ago. I was just messing around with just manipulating numbers and just using my calculator and stuff to just discovering stuff just out of boredom. So I want to show you this thing about nines that I discovered about nines. Why is this loading? So if we have let's see, okay, 3, 6, and 9. So I'll put 3, 6, and 9. 3, 6. Let's try. I'm not gonna give up. I try to make this thing turn into a 6, even though it wants to fight me. There it is, and a 9. And a 9. I think because my nick's flashing at me, I think it makes it, because I was doing a practice run earlier just to make sure this thing was working right, and it was drawing better. So that's probably why. I don't know, but this touchpad kind of sucks. So alright, so with 3, 6, and 9 are multiples of 3, 6, and 9. If you take the exponent, as long as you're not using 0 or 1, like in other words it has to be squared. So any multiple of 3, 6, and any exponent of 3, 6, and 9, or any multiple of 3, 6, and 9, if you add the digits of the sum, even of of the individual digits, it'll always add up to 9 again. So for example, 3 squared is 9 all by itself. So let's do 6 cubed. 6 cubed, 6 times 6 times 6, so 36 times 6, 36, using my calculator, because I'm not doing all that in my head or writing it down on paper. I don't have time. Definitely not going to do it in my head. 36 times 6. Let's see, 36 times 6 is 216. So we'll do that, and let's say a multiple, let's say 12. So 12, keep it simple, we'll say 12 to the 4th. That's going to be a pretty high number, but I'll do that, to the 4th. That looks like an 8, but it's supposed to be a 4. 12 to the 4th. So equals, let me see if I can change colors. Do red. 9. No matter how hard this damn thing fights me, I'm determined to win. 9 plus, shoot, damn it. Alright, crap. Alright, 9 plus what was it again? 216. That shit doesn't want to work. Stuff doesn't want to work like I want it to. 216. Alright, plus 12 to the 4th, which is 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. So 20736 plus 2,736. So 20, please, try another color. No, 20736. I don't understand why I'm pressing it, I'm moving it, it's not doing anything. There, 7, 36, 3, 6. That's because it wants to load something, but there's nothing it needs to load. This computer just needs to be quiet. but it doesn't want to do that, apparently. Equals, okay, 216, so 9, we have 9 here, and add these individual digits. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So if you add all these individual digits up, because you automatically have 9 there, if you add that up, that gives you another 9, right? And then if you add 2 plus 0 is still 2, plus 7 is 9, plus 3, 10, 11, 12, plus 6. So we have 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9, and 3 plus 6 is 9, so you have 9 plus 9, which is 18. Now if you take those individual digits and add them together, it gives you 9 again, because 1 plus 8 is 9. So that gives you 9. So, and then if you add all these together, 9 times 3 is 27. So that's going to give you 27, and put an arrow, and if you add those two individual digits, right, you have 2 plus 7 plus I gotta tell you, this thing is fighting against me every way it can. 2 plus 7. Why is it trying to load up? I don't understand it. But there's nothing that needs to load. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. That's supposed to be a 9. So you could do that with anything, any 3, 6, and 9, as long as you take at least, as long as you at least square it, meaning not using exponent 0 or 1. Of course, you have to at least square it. And I'll tell you why in a second. So you take 3, 6, and 9, or any multiple of 3, 6, and 9. Because, you know, you can use 9, you can use, let me see, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 squared would work. Plus, let me see, 18 squared would be fine. 12 squared plus 18 squared plus 24 to the 5th power. Whatever you're going to use, as long as it's a multiple of 9. So you can use, no, I'm sorry, wait, 24, let me see, 12, that would be, no, it has to be a multiple of 9, that's also a multiple of 3, 3, 6, and 9 are any multiple of 3, 6, and 9, so no, I'm sorry, it couldn't be 12, it would have to be, let me see, 27, okay, not 24, I apologize for that, 27, 27 squared or 27 cubed or 27 to the 4th or whatever, but it has to be a multiple of 9. In other words, it couldn't be just 3 times, you know, or 6 times, you know, trying to think of an example. 6 times 5 is 30. You couldn't use that. It has to be a multiple, also a multiple of 9. So whatever you square with a 6, 3, or a 12 is also going to be some certain multiple of 9. So you know, so you know, 3 cubed, which is 3 times 3 times 3, 27 is also 9 times 3, which is 27. So as long as it at least could be multiplied from 9. So if you have like 6 squared is 36, 9 times 4 is 36. You know, if you have 12 squared is 144. Some certain 9 times something will give you 144. It will work. So you know, you have to, it has to be a multiple of 9. Let's see, 12 times 9, 15 times 9, 16 times 9. 16 times 9 is 144. So yes, so as long as it's also a multiple of 9, it will always work. All right, erase that. So in other words, you could say 9 times, it's already been 9 minutes, 2 is 18. Man. Nine times 2 is 18. Ah, that's very aggravating. This is a pain in the ass, let me tell you. So this touchpad is terrible. What a touchpad this is, man. All right, 1 plus 8 is going to give you 9, etc., etc. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it's obvious, maybe stuff we don't really think about, but any multiple of 9, or if you take 3, of 3, 6, and 9, if you square those or use any exponent or power you want to use, it will always add up to 9. Not only individually, but the whole total sum will always add up to 9. I tried several examples over over 50, like 100 examples. I would venture to say, or I'm going to say, infinitely it will work. No matter, as long as you follow that thing, it'll be right. So all right, that's cool. That's that. So that's my next video, and see ya. Bye.